How to fix SV_pure server error in CSGO, aka Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, on Windows 10. To resolve the SV_pure server error in the Counter-Strike, Global Offensive game on your Windows 10 PC, you need to do these steps. 1. Exit your CSGO game. 2. Manually remove the materials/models folder at Windows, C Program Files, x86, Steam Apps Common Counter-Strike, Global Offensive CSGO. 3. Verify CSGO game files via the Steam client. 4. Email CSGO's feedback team at csgoteamfeedback@valvesoftware.com. If the SV_pure servers will now kick clients that have loaded asset files into game memory from files not present on the game server file system. Error persists.